What's up, guys? It's Kelly Shalal, the registered dietitian behind Hungry Hobby, and I'm here to share with you what I bought this week from Trader Joe's. So, a bunch of bags back here. This little left-on pocket. Spinach. I decided to try this peanut crispy noodle salad kit. It's gonna be yummy with some salmon. I bought this before, this broccoli and cauliflower saute kit. We liked it, so sometimes I combine it with more broccoli. Some cabbage for egg roll in a bowl. Some Brussels sprouts and sweet potato. Sweet potatoes. Oh, here's more Brussels sprouts. For my turkey bacon ranch bowls. And I bought some of these. They're zigzag butternut squash, hoping Baby K will eat them. If he won't, we will. And I got a bunch of these crushers. These aren't my favorite crushers to buy or like squeeze packs to buy, but we're out, so nah, that was the store I was at this week. Some apples. Those are organic Fuji apples. A couple RX bars and a couple Lara bars. And some barbecue sauce. And some marinara sauce for my sheet pan cauliflower gnocchi and sausage meal, which you can find on my stories. I made it on my stories, so you can find that there. Got some dark chocolate, because why not? And I got Baby Cal, some cashew yogurt. He kind of likes the cashew yogurt more than their coconut milk ones. This is one of my favorite hummuses ever. They're Mediterranean hummus, so I got that. And I love their papita salsa. I know everybody has their like favorite Trader Joe's salsa, but that's definitely one of mine. I also like the Farasa salsa a lot. And some Kobe jack cheese. So I'm gonna put this stuff away and then grab the next bag. Okay, next bag, I got some Trader Joe O's because the last Cheerios I bought were super salty. I don't know what's going on with them. Like I said, we only go to Trader Joe's about once a month, so I tend to stock up. So I got a couple bags of plantain chips. And here's the bag. Here's the Cheerios he did not eat. And here's the bag of Babas that he ate, that the baby ate while I shopped so that he did not have a meltdown. So that was fun. Would have been meltdown central. So that's what he ate. Bunch of bags of spinach. We like to put them in our smoothies, all kinds of stuff. I'm gonna remake my vegetable chip crusted chicken recipe. And so that's what these are for. And Mr. Hungry freaking loves them. I try not to eat them because they're so hard and I've already had some cracked teeth, so I'm like, but I'll definitely eat them on chicken. Some bananas, more spinach. I like their sandwich sourdough bread, but they didn't have any of the sandwich stuff, so I went back to our old standby. That is Trader Joe's staple. Steam in the bag broccoli, another Trader Joe's staple. Then some herbs, cilantro and chives. And parsley. I love that theirs comes like wrapped like this. It just stays good for so much longer until you use it. Brown rice tortillas. Now these are kind of hard, but I freaking love them. I'll probably put them in a freezer for a little bit. They say they're good till 214. The only bad thing about these is they do mold pretty fast. Sprouts has another brand of brown rice tortillas that I sometimes buy because they stay good a little bit longer, but I just love the texture of brown rice tortillas. Like they crisp up so nicely when you're making like a quesadilla or my healthy breakfast quesadilla. Like, I just love them, but I know they're not for everyone. It's just me. Carrots all the time. Some organic blueberries. And some chocolate. These are my favorite. I love these. Like, I hide them. I'm gonna hide them before anyone comes out and sees that I bought them. Just saying. Okay, last bag. Got some pizza. I like this pizza because it comes with uncured pepperoni, which is yummy. And for when we're feeling a little bit healthier, the cauliflower cheese pizza crust. And then the cauliflower gnocchi. And sun-dried tomato sausage to go with that. And then I already showed you the cashew milk yogurts. Then I buy a bunch of these roasted carrot coins. I don't like them, but Mr. Hungry loves them, like loves them for his lunches. So I stock up on those for the month. They're out of smoked Gouda again from the last time I went, so I got Mr. Hungry Pepper Jack. I like pepper jack too. And then I use this uncured peppered turkey bacon in my sheet pan turkey bacon ranch bowls recipe. And I also like their uncured applewood smoked bacon. And then I got some ground turkeys and some chicken breasts for, this is the ground turkey that's for the Instant Pot egg roll in the bowl. Sometimes I do pork, but I bought turkey this time. And then I got some chicken breasts, and those are for the flax chip crusted chicken breasts. Although my sitter is sick, so I don't even know if I'll be able to photograph this for you this week, but I can make it. So I'm gonna do the same thing I did with the last one, which is people ask me like to share what I made with my groceries and if there were certain new things that I tried that I liked or didn't like. So I'm gonna have a follow-up post that'll be linked with this video that will have all that stuff in it, like all the, link to all the recipes I mentioned that I'm gonna make and what I actually made. Did I make everything? And just kind of a little follow-up post. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this. And I'm getting ready to repeat stores. So now I've done Costco, Sprouts, and Trader Joe's. Kind of thinking about doing a Whole Foods one. I don't shop there very often, but I can show you what I do when I do go there. And then do you guys want me to start repeating, because I do buy different stuff, especially at Costco, depending on what's needed. So let me know if you want to see more grocery hauls or if the one for each store was enough. All right, guys, enjoy your day or night or whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you soon.